Chapter 14. Water for Living. Let's know. Water is essential for life. About 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Most of our body weight is due to water. Aquatic life would not have been possible without water. Plants need water to grow. Water helps our body to digest food, transport the nutrients and excrete wastes as urine and sweat. We may fall ill due to shortage of water in our body. This condition of water shortage in our body is called dehydration. You must know, only about 2.59% of the water on the earth is fit for drinking. The rest is salty water which cannot be used for drinking. Sources of water. No living being can survive without water. We get water from many sources. Some of sources are given below. 1. Rain. Rain is the main source of water. It is the purest form of water. However, it gets polluted due to pollutants present in the air. When rain falls, water gets collected in the water bodies like sewers, lakes, ponds, and oceans. It also seeps through the soil and accumulates underground as groundwater. 2. Rivers. Water is present in frozen form in glaciers high up in the mountains. Rivers originate when the ice in glaciers melts due to sun's heat. Most of the rivers flow into the seas or oceans. You must know, Ganga originates from Gangotri and Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier. 3. Ponds and lakes. Rainwater also collects into ponds and lake. A pond is a small body of water surrounded by land. A lake is a larger body of water than a pond. Water in lakes and ponds contains several impurities and germs, so it is not safe for drinking. However, it is used for many other purposes. Even animals drink it and wade through it during summers to stay cool. 4. Oceans and seas. A sea is a very large water body, while an ocean is larger than a sea. About 97% of the total water on Earth is present in seas and oceans. But this water cannot be used for drinking because it is very salty. Underground water. The rainwater that seeps down into the soil and is stored there is called underground water. The underground water comes up to the surface at many places as natural springs. Oases in deserts are formed by underground water. For human use, the underground water is drawn out with the help of wells, tube wells, and hand pumps, etc. You must know, Earth is called the blue planet. Water conservation. Careful use of water is called water conservation. The increase in population has led to scarcity of water, so it is important to conserve water. Dams, reservoirs, and canals are built to conserve water. In order to conserve water, it is important to use water carefully and avoid its wastage. Some of the ways in which we can conserve water are: taps should be turned off after usage. All leaking pipes and taps should be mended. A mug and water should be used for brushing teeth instead of running tap. The leftover water in bottles should be emptied in potted plants. Mug and bucket should be used for cleaning car instead of a hose pipe. We should bathe with a bucket and mug instead of a shower. Gardeners should use water cans to water the plants. Rainwater should be collected in tanks and used for cleaning and gardening purposes. Key terms: dehydration, shortage of water in the body. Pollutants, harmful substances. accumulates, collects, weed, plain water. Wrap up key points of the chapter. Water is essential for all living beings. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Water is precious. It should be handled carefully. Other sources of water are rivers, ponds, lakes, oceans, seas water, underground water. The underground water can be drawn out by digging wells, tube wells, hand pumps,